What is happening right now around the issue of Nnamdi Kanu is something that has captured the attention of many people across Nigeria and even beyond. The situation has taken another serious turn, and the conversation around his release is getting louder every day. Remember to like this video and subscribe as we go on, because this gist is full and you will not want to miss updates as they unfold. Today, the focus is on the strong message sent to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu by the Abia State House of Assembly, asking him to step in personally and secure the unconditional release of Nnamdi Kanu. This is not just a casual request. This is an official letter signed by all members of the Assembly, including the Speaker, showing that the matter has become extremely urgent and important to them. And as we are going through this story, please remember to like this video and subscribe for more news breakdowns like this. The lawmakers are saying that the continuous detention of Nnamdi Kanu has created tension, fear, and instability in the southeast region, and that it is time for the president to use his constitutional power to bring an end to the whole issue. They are pointing directly to Section 174 of the Nigerian Constitution, which gives the Attorney General the authority to discontinue a case before judgment is delivered. They are basically saying, Mr. President, you have the power to calm this entire situation with one decision. And this is what they want him to do. As I give you this update, kindly like this video and subscribe so more people can enjoy this story as you are enjoying it now. The Abia Assembly made it clear that releasing Nnamdi Kanu will be a huge step toward peace and reconciliation, not just for the southeast, but for Nigeria as a whole. They explained that the region has suffered a lot due to unrest, fear, protests, and disruptions, and that many businesses and families have been affected. They believe that freeing Kanu will help restore calm and encourage people to return to their normal lives without fear or confusion. So please make sure to like this video and subscribe as we continue. They also added that the president has already shown a spirit of compassion and forgiveness in other cases where he granted pardons to people in difficult situations, and this is the time to extend that same compassion again. They believe this action will promote unity and help rebuild trust between the government and the people of the Southeast. As you listen, remember to like this video and subscribe so these insights can reach more people. Another important part of the story is the coming judgment in Nnamdi Kanu's ongoing trial. The Federal High Court in Abuja has already fixed November 20th for the judgment. The judge noted that Kanu did not present a defense in court because he was challenging the legality of the charges and the jurisdiction of the court. So while the legal process is moving forward, the Abia Assembly is saying that instead of waiting for the judgment to create more tension, the government should act now and end the matter with a political solution. Please like this video and subscribe as we continue this deep breakdown. People across the country are also adding their voices. Human rights activists have written letters asking the president to release him. Community leaders, students groups, and even religious groups are holding meetings and making public appeals. Many of them are saying that keeping him in custody is not helping anybody, and it is only increasing fear and division in the region. They want peace, and they believe his release will help greatly. Please like this video and subscribe so we can keep growing this community. There is also the issue of Kanu filing his own lawsuit against the Nigerian Medical Association, where he is asking for compensation for what he says is a false medical report presented in court. This part of the case is adding more drama and more pressure to the entire situation. The Abia Assembly also mentioned this. I'm saying that situations like this show that the longer the case drags on, the more complicated everything becomes. Again, kindly like this video and subscribe because this news has many layers and we are unpacking them together. Now, why is this whole issue so important to so many people? First, because many believe that peace in the Southeast depends on how the government handles this matter. Some governors, business leaders, and community groups believe that the region cannot fully move forward until the matter of Nnamdi Kanu is settled. Many young people especially feel strongly about this and they want a peaceful and fair resolution. As we continue, please like this video and subscribe. Second, many people are watching President Tinubu closely to see whether he will take this step. Some believe that granting this request will show leadership, forgiveness, and strength. Others think it may set a new direction in how the country handles political disagreements. And this is why everyone is paying attention. Remember to like this video and subscribe. Third, the conversation is not just about the law. It is also about emotions, history, and the desire for unity. People want to feel heard, they want fairness, and they want peace. Leaders from different parts of the country are calling for understanding and dialogue. They believe that this is the best moment to heal old wounds and build something better. Please like this video and subscribe so you don't miss updates as this develops. What we are seeing now is a movement. The call for the release of Nnamdi Kanu is no longer coming from one group or one region. But it is coming from lawmakers, community leaders, students, international observers, and even foreign groups like veterans of Igbo descent. The pressure is building, and everyone is waiting to see what decision the president will make. As we continue this story, kindly like this video and subscribe. There is also a strong message behind all these appeals. People believe that Nigeria can only move forward when there is justice, fairness, and dialogue. Many people think this is the perfect opportunity for the government to show that it is ready to embrace peaceful solutions and reduce long-standing tension. As you listen, please like this video and subscribe. The Abia Assembly is saying that the release of Kanu will reduce fear and unnecessary conflict, open the door for better security, and make people feel safe again. They also believe the economy of the Southeast will improve once normal activities return fully. Shops, schools, transportation, and business operations have been affected by unrest tied to this issue, and many people have suffered losses. Kindly like this video and subscribe so we can continue with the gist. This situation is also raising bigger questions for the whole country. Questions like, how do we build trust between the government and the people? How do we make sure people feel safe and protected? How do we handle disagreements without causing harm? How do we make every part of the country feel included and respected? These are serious questions, and this case is bringing them to the front. Please like this video and subscribe as we move forward. Now, the big question everyone is asking is, what will President Tinubu do? Will he step in before the November 20th judgment? Will he use the power available to him to stop the case? Will he choose the path of dialogue and reconciliation? Or will he wait for the courts to finish their work? Everybody is waiting, watching, and hoping. Please like this video and subscribe. This decision has the potential to bring calm and healing, but it also has political weight. It will shape how people see the president's leadership and what direction the country takes in matters of national unity. And that is what makes this story very important. As we continue, kindly like this video and subscribe. The coming days will be very important. The pressure from the Abia Assembly is strong. The pressure from community groups is strong. The courtroom decision is getting closer. The emotions around this issue are high, and the entire country is watching to see what will happen next. So please like this video and subscribe as we follow this story to the end.